If you're looking for a plant-based main for your Thanksgiving meal, you have to try my vegan lentil loaf. It is so delicious and super simple to make. You're just gonna add cooked lentils, veggies, walnuts, oats, as well as lots of yummy seasonings into your food processor. Blend it up until it's just combined, and then add some reserved cooked lentils to give it a little texture. Then you just go ahead and pour the batter into a loaf pan, press it down, add the maple sweetened glaze on top. This stuff is straight perfection. And at this point, the loaf is prepped and ready. You can either pop it in the oven right away or put it in your fridge until you're ready to bake it. And here is how it turns out. It's so flavorful and festive. Everyone at your Thanksgiving table will love it. Let me know if you try it in the comments.